In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and navigate through the Wayfair affiliate program. This will be your go-to guide for accessing all the necessary tools and resources you need to successfully manage your affiliate account. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Wayfair affiliate program. Once the page loads, you should see the home page with various options to explore. Here you're going to look for the Sign In or Login button, which is usually located towards the top right corner of the screen. Give that button a click. This will take you to the sign-in page where you can access your account securely. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address and password. This step is crucial, so make sure your details are entered correctly. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Most websites, including Wayfair, offer an option to reset it. Once you've punched in your credentials, hit the Enter key or click on the Sign In button to proceed. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your affiliate dashboard. This is your command center where you'll manage links, track your earnings, and view reports. Spend a few moments familiarizing yourself with the layout and various options available. At first glance, you'll likely notice different tabs and sections for each function. Don't feel overwhelmed. Everything is designed to streamline your experience as an affiliate. Your affiliate dashboard is where you can create and manage the links you'll use to earn commissions. Whether you're a seasoned pro or starting, generating links that are tailored to your audience is straightforward. Keep an eye out for the link generation tools available within your dashboard, which will guide you through creating custom links that track clicks and conversions. Equally important is tracking your earnings. In the dashboard, dedicated areas showcase your performance metrics such as the number of clicks your links have received and how much commission you've earned over different time periods. Regularly check these reports to understand your progress and optimize your strategies accordingly. Additionally, viewing reports within your dashboard is essential for assessing how your campaigns are performing. These reports provide valuable insights into which products or strategies are working best for you. Over time, these insights can help you refine your approach to maximize success. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to logging in and making the most of your Wayfair affiliate